Hi friends, I'm Coderboy and today we will make a useful Python project. It is called Simple Calculator. This calculator will ask the user for two numbers and then it will ask which math operation to do. Plus, minus, times means multiply or divide. After that, Python will calculate the answer and show it on the screen. Let's get started. First, we need to ask for the first number. Type a equals integer, open bracket, input. Inside bracket and quotes type first number. This asks the user for a number and stores it inside the variable called a. Remember, inputs gives us text, so we use integer to turn the answer into a real number. Now let's ask for the second number. Type b equals integer, open bracket, input. Inside bracket and quotes type second number. Now the second number is stored inside the variable called b. Next we need to ask which operation the user wants. Type OP equals input. Inside the bracket and quote type operation plus, comma minus, comma times or divide question mark. Now we have three things stored. The first number is in variable A, the second number is in B and the operation is in OP. Now Python needs to choose what to do and for what we use if, else if and else statement. First type if OP doubles equal plus colon on the indented line type print open bracket a plus b close bracket. This means if the operation is plus, Python prints a plus b. Now let's add minus. Type else if op double equals minus colon on the indented line type print open bracket a minus b close bracket. Then do the same thing for the times and divide function. Remember, in Python the star symbol means multiply and the slash symbol means divide. Now we need one final case. What if the user types something else? Maybe the type of word Python does not understand. For that we use else. Type else colon on the intended line type print inside bracket and quotes type unknown operation. Great. Now our calculator can choose between plus, minus, times and divide. Let's test it. Click run. When Python asks for the first number, type 10. For the second number, type 5 and for the operation type plus. Now Python shows 15. Nice. Now run the program again and give the number 20. For the second number type 4 and choose operation divide. Python shows 5.0. Now did you notice the point 0? When Python divides, the answer can come as a decimal number. So Python shows 5.0 instead of just 5. Great job. Today you built a working calculator in Python. Look at what we used for this project. We used input to ask questions. We used integer to turn the answers into numbers. We used variables to store the numbers in operations. We used if, else if and else to choose what calculation to do. And we used print to show the answer. This is how many apps work. They ask for information, they choose what to do and then they show the result. So today you built a real Python tool, simple calculator. Try changing the numbers and try all 4 operations. In the next video, we will make another fun project. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.